Over 23,000 hits.
Hey everyone.
Unbelievable. Doing very well. If you're on the first page for Google, you're on the first page of YouTube. The reason why? YouTube owns Google. So let's test it out. So if I type in credit repair Vancouver, Washington, let's see if it'll be for number 1. Yep, right there. Number 1. So let's go take a look at this. Let's see if there's anybody on the second. Okay, not yet. Alrighty, this company loved the work that we did with them for them so much, they asked us, hey, could you do Portland for us? So we went to Portland. Alrighty, look at this. First 2 videos. That's huge, folks. This is huge. Let's see if there's anything on the second. This is us again. Third, that's not us. We always try to dominate the first 5 pages. Let's go look at Seattle. Right here, first page. See if there's anything else in the second. There you go, it's us. Alrighty. They liked it so much they said, hey, could you do Oregon for us too? Oh wow, I didn't realize that. We have 3 videos on the first page. Guys, this is huge. This is huge. So, I mean, we're not only dominating, folks, we are destroying. So here's the thing. We do a thing called referral marketing, or we use, because people buy from people. And you have to basically go back to the 50s. People buy from people, folks. So, my suggestion is if you're looking at wanting to get on the first page of Google with video, we have a really cool way of not only dominating with video, but also with social media. But I always focus with video with the clients. Anyways, thank you so much. You can give us a call here. We have 2 numbers here. We serve the Portland, Vancouver, Washington area and also the California area. We are socialmediavideo.com. We are also videoSEOservicesusa.com. Anyways, have a great day. God bless. Don't forget to call us, 909-528-4079.